Welcome to another episode of the Drawing Science Club. In today's lesson, we're going to be answering the question, does the color of a candy cane change how fast it dissolves in warm water? Let's get to it. For this experiment, all you need are 4 jars, or 1 jar per candy cane. Different colors of candy canes. We have a traditional, green, blue, and pink. And some warm water. Here's how you do it. Pour some warm water into each of your jars. Keep the same amount of water in each jar. Unwrap your candy canes. Make sure all the plastic's off. Get ready to start your timer. Drop 1 candy cane into each of the jars as quickly as possible so they get in as close to the same time as possible. We're going to do 2 at a time. Ready? Here we go. Now we wait. Here we are 1 minute in. The blue has not yet broken. The traditional candy cane has a longer stick. The pink and the green are both disintegrating rapidly. After 10 minutes, here's where we are. This is the red one, the pink one, the traditional one, and the blue one. The blue candy cane has the most candy cane in the jar. The red candy cane has the most stick. The pink one is almost completely gone, and the reddish green one has just a little nubby stem left. See you next time. Here's the science. In this experiment, you created a solution of warm water and different colored candy canes. A solution is made when one substance called the solute dissolves into another substance called the solvent. In our case, the candy cane is a solvent while the water is a solute. When the sugar molecules in the candy cane come in contact with the water, they start breaking apart or dissolving. When candy canes are put into water, this makes a solution. The sugar molecules spread out and dissolve throughout the water, melting the candy cane. Different concentrations of sugar or other ingredients will change how quickly or slowly this process happens. And since we use colored candy canes, it was really exciting to see how the different colors responded in their various jars. See you next time.